Today we're going to be analyzing a prompt. A prompt might be something that you're asked to do on a standardized test or in an English class or in an application. You may be asked to analyze a prompt is a set of words that is telling you to do something. So make sure that you read the prompt a couple of times before you get to work. So you're going to read this prompt. You work for a major oil company. You've been sent to talk to a farmer about paying him so your company can dig a well on his property. You will need to create notes on what you'll say to persuade this farmer that the benefits of fracking outweigh the possible risks. Use information from the article to help make your case and convince him. So you'll go back through it and think about what is the prompt telling you to do. Who are you? What do you need to do? What are you trying to put together? So the first is the setup, and it's kind of explaining or introducing the prompt to you. So you're going to find that in the first couple of sentences. So think about what the setup is, what they're trying to get you to think about who you are. So you're going to underline the sentences that set up the assignment. Next, you're going to use the RAFT technique to finish analyzing the prompt. So you're going to, RAFT stands for role, audience, format, and task. RAFT. So that's something you can remember that when you go to analyze a prompt, the next time you are asked to do so, you can think, oh, RAFT, right, role, who am I? So who are you supposed to be to answer it? You're going to look up in these first couple of sentences and the answer is there. I am a what? The audience, who am I writing to? Who are you going to talk to? The person you're talking to is your audience. Why? Okay, check to see what you're doing. You're going to be talking to this person in a specific way because you're trying to get this person or this group to do something for you. So what type of writing are you doing? An essay? Probably not, but you're going to look through. Is it a letter, a speech, a story? Or is it some kind of a speech, right? And if it's a speech, or presentation, what is the point of that presentation? And then finally, your task. So who are you? Who are you talking to? How are you delivering your information? Are you trying to inform or persuade or get information from somebody? And then the last thing you're going to do is the task, which is what you're supposed to do. So another sentence in the prompt, there's going to be a sentence that tells you what you must do or your task. So what is your task? So question words such as why, how, or what might tell you the task. Okay, so you're going to think what these words are. So you're going to look back at the prompt and say, what is it asking me to do? You will need to what? And what is it that you're trying to get that audience to know, to believe, or to do, or any other things you can get them to do? Why? Give the reasons. How? Explain the way something's done. What? Identify the thing that is done. So you're going to copy the sentence or question that describes your task from this prompt. Okay, what am I trying to do? The clues here, copy the sentence or question that describes your task. There's a sentence up there that tells you what you're supposed to be doing. It's your task. Take your time, read it through, stop and analyze each sentence, circle the words that are important, underline the tasks, the things that you might think that you might be doing, and then answer each one here. So underline the sentences, go through RAFT. Who are you? What is your role? Who are you talking to? Who is your audience? How are you talking to them? What is the format? And then finally, what is it you're trying to do for your task? Good luck.